So guys, today I present you this model, Mercedes Benz E63 AMG, and let's hear about like a very nice sound system. The car we have like in race now, is just selected in race, how you can see it there, and let's hear a little bit good music, good vibe for the weekend. This is like very amazing car. It's crazy. Take a look of this interior where it's like full carbon fiber with a lots of sensor and all this stuff. I really like this car. So if you like it, just share it with your friends. This is like the best car.